Okay, today we are at Home Depot. I'm looking for a caulk basically to fill the holes in the shelf. I'll show it to you guys on the side, I guess. But yeah, we'll get that, fill the holes, sand it, and then it's ready to be painted. And hopefully I'll be done with this project and can move on to my next. But I can't find the caulk. I don't know. Okay, maybe over here. I need one that can be painted and is shrink proof basically, so it doesn't crack again, because the ones that are built in already, they've cracked a little bit over time. So yeah. Oh, and one more thing I'm looking for, I just found it, is the 4-inch basically like a baseboard thing that I'm putting as like a support underneath the shelves. I need one more long piece just so it can go in the back, and it'll be like one long piece and it like looks better, you know. So yeah. Okay, weird thing. So I saw these boards that said trash on them, and I asked the manager if I can take it since it says trash. And the guy's like, yeah, sure, you go ahead and take it. So now I have all this stuff, and I am planning on building like some cabinets in my kitchen this summer, so I guess I'll take it and put it in my garage. Alex is gonna hate me, but whatever, it's fine. He stole one of mine, but whatever, I guess. Okay, and I brought so I basically got 3 full pieces of these, and then they're really nice because it's like the material that already has like the little plastic thing on top, like paint. But I mean, obviously some of them are like a little bit chipped and stuff, and then there's like a half broken piece as well. So yeah, there's my little beautiful piece of trash. Okay, got my big thing, and look at it compared to my car. It's basically my car size. So what we're gonna do is, I'm thinking we're gonna cut it into 3 little pieces and then just stick it in. I think the 2 smaller pieces, like around here and then here, those should be able to be used on the side panels for the cabinet. So hopefully that works. We'll see. And then I brought my little handsaw, I guess that's what it's called, and I forgot to bring my safety glasses, so we're gonna just use my goggles. And yeah, hopefully it works. Okay, now let's put back the cart. It's always nice to just put down the cart back into the stores because it obviously saves time for the employees and stuff like that. But I just remembered one of the interesting things I learned in college, I think it was in my quality assurance class, is can let me stop talking once I drop it off. There we go. Oh, cart back. Okay, so like a lot of places, maybe if you notice at like Costco and stuff, they say please put back your cart, like for your safety and stuff like that. But you know what's more effective than saying that is basically figuring out what the customers want and what they prioritize. For example, a lot of people will prioritize like saving a couple dollars, you know, because okay, first of all, I guess right now inflation and stuff, and then second of all, it's just like, I don't know, money speaks, I guess. So anyway, instead of saying my phone's gonna connect to the computer phone, I'm gonna turn off my car. Anyway, but instead of saying basically like, oh, for your safety, please put back your carts. Instead, you should say, please put back your carts. So, I turned off my car and it's still connected. But anyway, so basically instead of saying like, oh, hey, you know, put back your carts for your safety, you should instead say like, oh, put back your carts so we can keep prices low and stuff like that. In that case, people are most likely to actually put it back because they care about the prices, you know, and they don't want it to go up. So that's like an effective way of like figuring out what your customer wants and then implementing it and using right words so that they actually end up doing it. There you go. So here's all the holes I was gonna use this caulk for. Basically, because the wall isn't straight, there's these like little edges that needs to be filled. So basically, here's the gun for the caulk, and then did you guys know that there's this little hole, and this is where you're supposed to put the nose in, and then basically hold it at an angle so you can like finish it off really nice. But then if you do this, it's supposed to cut the edge off, or I guess the nose, whatever it's off. Here we go. Yay, so now it's ready to be used. You just need to essentially put it in the gun, and then yeah, it's ready to be used. Okay, maybe? No, I wasn't supposed to open it. Okay, I just need some human strength that apparently I don't possess. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. Oh, and I guess if that is the case and you can't open it, here's what you could do. But I just thought it was strong enough, so we will pull it back out. And then most guns nowadays, at least, have these little needle thingies. And then you can just use that to pop it open. Okay, yeah, it is open because just a little bit came out. I'm just not strong enough. And this is exactly why I need to go to the gym more because, oh, okay, so it's starting to come out. Can you see the little, see? Oh, okay. Anyway, goodbye, bye, guys. So now you just put it in there, and you're supposed to have a little bit of, like, wet towel or something to rub it in. But this also just works. And here, I'll show you guys. Here we go. And then we're just gonna let it dry and paint over it. And then we're good. Yay! Okay, bye. Okay, third time's the charm, right? But today, or this time, I actually remember to grab the little piece I have, scrap I have, so I can match it just to make sure, because I did get the Paris one from Lowe's, and this is Home Depot, you know. And I'm really hoping, so right now I'm in the plant section because I love plants. But yeah, I'm just hoping to get this couple of screws as well as a wood filler. Here with my servant. I'm just kidding.
No, I thought you could have them, I know you said they're soft broken, I thought they could have them soft.